Today we will fix the famous display goes black issue on latest nvidia 50 series GPU. It will be real quick, so don't skip the video. Whenever you press Windows key or you try to change the current tab, the display goes black. And it is same when you go back to current tab. As you can see in my Fortnite settings, it is full HD resolution selected, but in Windows settings it is 4K resolution that is causing the issue. I am extremely sorry if you are not able to see the display because of my bad camera, but it will not cause any problem in fixing the issue. Now you have to match the monitor settings to the Windows settings, and then match it to the game setting. Use a DisplayPort if you are on 4K or higher refresh rate. Please turn off the HDR brightness from the Windows settings if the game is not supported, and avoid mismatching of the game settings with Windows or monitor settings. Now you can see the black screen problem is gone. And that's it. If you still need any help, then let me know in the comment section.
Now purchase your favorite items in Fortnite with UPI. Get your item within 15 minutes of payment. For more, go to description.